Hello, my name's Holly and I make mushroom art. I'm with the brand Susrooms, and today I'm going to be reorganizing all of my little stickers. This little desktop cleaner was given to me. Honestly, it's been a long time since I've put stuff in here. And by a long time, I mean like a year. I have my first ever original stickers that I made for my business and stuff like that in here. These are all stickers without the sheen that I do, the protective layer. I don't have those on here. And it looks like I just cut these with scissors. This is before I had my Cricut that I have now. I don't know what to do with these, but I feel like the trash is probably appropriate. Look at the ratio. This was my first creation of some of my silly mushroom art. That is interesting. I don't sell that. I also have really tiny stickers. It's okay. I don't even know what to do with all these. Makes sense why they're all just stuffed away. Fun story. So I actually made these stickers for my 25th birthday because my brain is fully formed at 25. Here's a little Minecraft pickaxe. Nice, diamond. I'm just gonna go through these drawers and just see what we find. So it looks like I have a bunch of my promotional little Susrooms stickers and some cute little freebies. I think I found my first, it was my first little tag that I had on my stickers when I very first did my shop. And I would staple it on the sides. This is kind of just my first version, so we're just gonna toss this stuff. Going through everything, I found something for my school project, just a bunch of colored pieces. But I found so many mistakes. All of my mistake stickers. But what I also found, which is really interesting, I had made some buttons. Now, obviously, the quality of them is pretty poor, and there's only a few of them. I think this is the best quality one, but it's still kind of crap. I had bought a cheap button maker on Amazon, and it broke after the third time of making buttons. So then I got rid of it. No buttons. Okay, so it's mostly empty now, which is fine. I have lots of empty drawers ready for making more things. So in this one, I just have some paper packs that don't have the labels on them, so I could just show them off. This one is just all my freebie stuff for my orders. This is my mushroom paper packs. And then here is all of my art print stuff. So in every art print, I include this little thing in the back, kind of telling about me. And then down here, I just have school stuff for writing notes down, but lots of empty space so that I can fill it up. I plan on having a lot more new products coming your way. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. I'm Holly, I make mushroom art, and I'm with the brand Susrooms. Thank you.